Truck is ready. Good daily setup on this one. This is a 2024 GMC Denali. This is a 6-inch rough country lift with 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires on the factory wheels. We had to use a 1.5-inch wheel spacer to really make the wheels fit right. On the truck, it turns full lock both ways with just removing the mud flap on it. This is something that you could do for $5,000 to $6,000 budget. It's not really crazy expensive, but you do get the good look of the off-road tire and everything like that. Just a quick little daily update. We all know the Tahoe, right? This is my personal vehicle, 28x16s on a 9-inch McGoy's lift kit, 38-inch Furies. And then we've got Jesse Dunham's 26x14s on his new Silverado. This is Hostile Forge, 37-inch Fury tires, also on a 9-inch McGoy's lift kit. Beautiful truck. McGoy's comes with the chrome accents on the front cross member. Seems to be a fan favorite around the shop here. We put these on several times a month. I don't know if I like the black wheels better or the chrome polished, but both a good look. I saw this truck on the video last week. This is a 2019 High Country Silverado, the 4-inch color matched FTS lift and some color matched JTX forged Ruckus wheels in 22 by 12. I haven't even taken the plastic off the traction bars yet. Kind of nice here. This is a double hoop reservoir shock, chrome FTS shocks. Lift kit is color matched whiskey bronze. Super different than what we usually see. Everybody usually goes with the basic black or whatever lift kit. Very nice presentation though on the truck. I like how the truck's not so high up in the air, but it still has all the goodies with it. One more I don't want to leave out, 2020 GMC Denali. Some 24 by 14 fuel forged wheels. This one has the 10-inch CST kit, California Super Trucks. Reservoir style shock. Huge spindle. What I like about the CST is they actually put a fabricated spindle on the truck rather than a cast steel. Don't know if it really does much for the performance, but it does look a lot better.